Hello, I am Athena Cesario. If you are a high-functioning woman who appears strong on the outside, but leaves a subtle vigilance underneath, this channel is for you. You are capable, responsible, reliable, but internally, there is bracing. The scanning, the anticipating, the overfunctioning, the quiet pressure to hold everything together. Through my own rupture and rebuilding, I learned that more effort only deepens bracing. What works is structure, regulation before reaction, ownership before over-responsibility, identity before expansion. That's what this space is built on. When life ruptures through betrayal, burnout, divorce, loss, relocation, identity collapse, the nervous system braces. And when that bracing isn't examined, it becomes identity. I know this because I've lived it through grief, rebuilding, single motherhood, and losing the love of my life, the father of my daughter. And I rebuilt from it. You don't just act strong, you become the one who must hold it all. That's the pattern. And that's what we dismantled here. Through the infinite method, a structured, nervous system-led framework. We move from pattern exposure to regulation, to ownership separation, to identity reconstruction, to living unbraced. This is not motivation, and it is not bypassing. It is structured depth. Governance over reaction, discernment over urgency, sovereignty over performance. If you're ready to stop performing strength and start building internal safety, stay. You have got you. And here, you don't have to brace alone.